my guilt and fear. No other name but Jesus. Oh, my soul delights to hear the precious name of Jesus. Sweetest note in seraph's song, sweetest name on mortal tongue, sweetest carol ever sung. Jesus, blessed Jesus. And when he comes to bring the bride,